I am in Atlanta today doing a walkthrough of 2 homes for my client who's a doctor. So I am touring 2 condos. So I'm super excited. I'm gonna turn around. Then you have this cute little cabinet. They just got a bigger condo here because they have a house. When they come to the city, they like to come with the kids and stay in the house. So this is the studio apartment. This is the view. It's gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. But this is lovely. So I'm super excited because we're gonna decorate it up and get that done really quick.